What's up, guys? Back in Bath County for my annual fishing hunting trip, and so far things have been a little slow. I've been kind of taking it easy and just enjoying the vacation. Doing a little fishing on Back Creek this morning. We fished yesterday and didn't really catch a whole lot, but we're hoping today we can catch a few. That in stock here in quite a while, but it's a good overcast day, and we're hoping we can catch a few anyway. And we'll see how it goes. Sorry it's been a while since I posted. Life, you know, been busy. Things have been kind of hectic, and yeah, getting into some new stuff very soon, and hopefully the content will start to flow. That's the plan anyways, so we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. So stay tuned. Alright. Only got down to where I'm gonna start fishing. I bypassed a lot of the stuff up front because it gets hammered hard. And I usually don't even start fishing until I get down to this point. We'll see how we go. Water's beautiful this morning, that's for sure. Hopefully we can catch a couple. Like I said, they hadn't stocked in quite some time, and we were hoping they were going to stock while we were here, but we hadn't seen nothing. We fished Hidden Valley yesterday, and they stocked that late yesterday, and we were fishing on the far side of it, and I think Joe caught one. It was a duck, and I caught a little brim, and I think that was about it for 4 of us. That wasn't too hot, so we'll see how it do. Usually catch at least one. Yesterday it was hot and sunny and clear skies, so it made fishing a little tough with the water being down. And I will probably go to power bait fairly quick. I just want to see if I can locate some fish. That's pretty much I go to. I fish with the spinner first and try to locate some fish, and they won't play with a spinner. They'll just run it down or whatever, short strike. Then I'll go to power bait most of the time. It's probably going to be pretty hard fishing. I've seen a lot of people come out of here, but I haven't seen hardly any fish come out of here. And they stocked 9 days ago here, and it doesn't look like they did a big stocking either. Looks like it was a pretty light one. They haven't been stocking too much in Bath County, at least not in the last 2-3 weeks. And then with my glasses on, I can see all the way down most of the bottom of the real deep fast water, and I've yet to see a fish on my whole walk in, so it ain't looking too promising. I actually started the trip out in Amherst at deer camp, and looked for some mushrooms and kind of looked around. They actually had a forest fire over there while we were there. Burned up about 50 acres. freaked everybody out in the family. They knew about it before we did. We didn't even smell the smoke. And rode up and checked that out, and that wasn't too awful bad. Didn't burn up too much stuff. But yeah, we just camped and ate good for a couple days over there. And then we headed over here to Bath. And it's been kind of a lazy day. We've been turkey hunting twice and never heard a bird gobble. I haven't even taken my gun out of the case, so I'll probably leave tomorrow to head home. But we'll see how we do. If we don't catch anything here, we can probably go to the to a hidden valley up by the bed and breakfast and catch our limits up there. That, like I say, they just stocked there yesterday, so we'll see. We all just like fishing Back Creek. It's one of our favorite places to fish, and we camp right here, so it's pretty convenient. So as predicted, I'm going to power bait. I have yet to see a fish, but I'm hoping that there'll be a good one in this hole. We'll see. Hopefully I don't get hung up in the rocks too bad. I got too much weight on, I don't know. Might have a little too much weight. There's one. I just did cut the camera off. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Want that? Yeah. Yeah. There was 3 more down there in the field. 10, 11, 12. Tail's going over.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me
Alright guys, we're going to call that a wrap this year. Had a great trip. You can never get enough time with your buddies in camping, you know. But we caught some fish. Turkey hunting is hard here. Couldn't get a turkey to even gobble, which is nothing new for us hunting up here in Bath County. The weather was good. They had a little bit of rain and stuff over in Amherst beginning part of the trip, but after that, you know, it got a lot better. The temperature was good. You know, I'm not here in shorts and t-shirt now, so other than the biting bugs that are terrible right here, we're good. Yeah, it was a good trip, and I look forward to next year, and looking forward to fall for deer season. So, yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.